What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I just want to let you know that when I tried to leave work the other morning, guess what? The car wouldn't start. So people was laughing and saying, ha, 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 I told you you need a new car. And I said, no, I don't need a new car. So I didn't have my portable jump starter, the Ado jump starter. If you haven't seen that yet, check out that review. This was in my other car, but I do want to let you know one thing. I haven't charged this in about 3 weeks, and we are at 99% battery. So that thing holds its charge. My little kit right here, lost a ratchet for it, so be on the lookout. I do need another little kit just to have standby. But if you can see all the corrosion on this battery terminals, I do have corrosion, so we're going to clean that off. We're going to use this terminal cleaner right here. And here we have our heart battery ratchet. I have been using the heck out of this for the past 2 weeks now. And I think this is 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. Put that in. Lefty is loosey. All right. Take this. Do this one and get that off. When you clean this part of the terminal, so it's two sides to this. You have this side right here, and then you have this side. This side is obviously to clean the inside of here. You want to expose all that copper. Again, you want to clean this really good, and then this part you clean with this. All right, you want to expose all that stuff. So I'll get back with y'all when I'm done cleaning. I cleaned it the best I could. As you can see, exposing bare metal, copper. All right, about to put it back on, start it up, and see if the battery works or not. Also, this is a 3-year warranty, but guess what? I'm out of warranty because the battery was made 2018. Also, I do have a water pump issue. My water pump is leaking, and guess what? I gotta buy me a water pump. See that? And a couple of more spots here in the yard. That ain't our issue right now. I already ordered a water pump. It should be here by the end of this week or next week. But let me go ahead and put this back on and start it up. I know some people usually get scared on putting the battery terminals together because of sparks and stuff, but you know, you shouldn't be scared. It's just a little sparkle. All right, got that on. Let's see if it's going right. Righty tighty, right? Oh, yeah. Everybody talking about my old car. I don't care. All right, here we go. All right, sound like a little bit of a rough startup. So it could be the battery. All right, you guys, so that still didn't solve the problem. So I went and got a EverStart battery from Walmart, about $100. So I just put the EverStart in, and to change a battery is simple. Really, all you do is just unscrew that screw right there, unscrew this one, take it off of the old one, and then you take your old battery out, put the new battery in, take the cover caps off, just take some pliers, and that's it. Positive on, you can put your negative on. You might get a little spark. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to warn y'all guys, in case for the people that don't know, this is the date where the battery is basically manufactured, and if your battery says it on here, it usually say warranty. So on the other side, I know y'all can't really see it, but right there, it says 2-year warranty, free replacement. So we have 2 more years. So by 2024, if this battery died by 2024, you can replace this battery for free. Make sure you save your receipt, take a picture of it, put it on your computer, or email it to yourself, or do whatever you got to do to save that receipt. All right, let me try to start the car, and let's see what do we get from there. Here we go, you guys. And it's on. So, needed a new car battery. Simple as that, $100, but it is what it is. All right, you guys. Welcome to my world of being always occupied. Catch y'all in the next video.